Welcome to my channel from Growing with Grace from the garden to the jars. And today we are going to make spaghetti sauce. Now it's time to bring the garden into the jars, and now we're going to put it in a pan and cook it and make a meal. So this will be interesting, and this will be with all the products, most of the products. I'm going to say 90% of what I have raised from the garden or raised from our beef cow. And then at the end of the video, I will tell you how much that this actually has cost me. All right, let's get started. Here is my ingredients. Right here is the cow meat that I canned out of hamburger. Here is my tomatoes that I made tomato sauce. My diced tomatoes. Beautiful onions from the garden. Garlic. And a couple celery. And then some vinegar. Then here is brown sugar and some of my spices that some of them I've thrown. And then I did have to buy spaghetti, so I bought these at the Dent and Bent store here at our Amish country. That was 45 cents. And then the can of tomato paste, which was 35 cents. Now I don't make tomato paste. It takes a lot of tomatoes and a lot of time. And for 35 cents, maybe I should, but it's a lot easier this way. These are my green peppers that I chopped and froze. Now I'm going to chop up some garlic. Now I only use 1 clove of garlic in this recipe. I like garlic. My husband hates garlic. So I'll try to chop it up like, super fine here. Now I made a mistake here, and I tossed the garlic into the crock pot. Well, it was supposed to go into the skillet to get sauteed up along with the onions and the celery. But nobody noticed, will they? We won't tell anybody. Now, I have 2 stalks of celery here. Now I'm going to saute the onions and the celery. Okay, I'm going to add some more tomato sauce. Alright, then I have some vinegar to put in, and then I got my brown sugar and my spices. Stir that up real good. Here I am adding my hamburger that I had canned. I drained the juice out of it. I'll throw it right in with my onions and heat it up. And the broth here, okay, you can do many things with it. Now I'm going to take my hamburger and my onions, or I simply give it to my dogs as a treat. Put them in with my tomato sauce. But I'll keep this stirred up here, and I said it's already cooked. Smells good. The hamburger from being canned. We'll give it a quick stir. Mix everything in real good. I have some. Okay, now I'm going to take my hamburger and my onions and put them in with my tomato sauce. Oh, it smells good. Now we'll give it a quick stir. I have some diced tomatoes that I've been draining, but before I put them in, I need to put my tomato paste in. Now I don't make my own tomato paste. It takes a lot of tomatoes and a lot of time, and for what little amount that I use, it's, especially since I only paid 35 cents for it, just use it. It's really stuck to the jar there. And just get that stirred in. That my tomato sauce, if you don't boil it down enough, it becomes a little bit on the runny side, and so that's why we do the tomato paste. Now I'm gonna add my tomatoes, my diced tomatoes. Put them in and give it a good stir. Here, I'll get a better close-up look here for you. Now we're all done. Stir it up and let it cook in the slow cooker until it's done. All right, here's a picture of my spaghetti dinner. So to break it down in price here, the meat from our cow, it cost me $2.50 a pound. And the spaghetti and the paste that I added into it was $1.35. So this total meal here, without the bread yet, was $3.85 to make. So that made it 48 cents a meal. It made 8 servings. Now when we add the bread into it, the little bit of cheese, that's 20 cents. So the total meal here was 68 cents. Now that's pretty good. Now, like I said, we got the meat pretty reasonable because I had the Amish raise my cow for me, and he butchered the cow, and he brought the meat. Well, we picked up the meat and then we brought it home, and we packaged it up and canned it ourselves. That saved several $100s right there. All right, well, I hope you try this spaghetti dinner, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, take care, guys.